A missing reply from Solitaire cache support usually means you need to check your support request details, communication method, and the information you provided before sending another message. By the end, you will know how to check your request, what details to include in a follow-up, and the steps that can help you get a clearer response. Start by checking the support message you already submitted. Make sure you explain the exact issue, including what happened, when the problem started, and what you were trying to do inside the app. A clear support request is easier to review than a short message that only says something is not working. Include relevant details about your account, the game issue, or the transaction problem, so the support team has enough information to investigate. The next step is checking your email inbox and spam folder. Support replies can sometimes be filtered into another folder, especially if you are waiting for a response from a service you do not regularly receive messages from. If you need to follow up, reply to the existing support conversation instead of creating multiple new requests. Keeping the same issue in one thread makes the information easier to track. Another thing to check is whether you are contacting Solitaire cache through the official support option. Using the correct support channel helps make sure your message reaches the right team. If your issue involves rewards, payments, or missing game information, include screenshots and any details connected to the problem. Visual proof can help explain exactly what appears on your screen. Avoid sharing private account information in public comments or unofficial forums. Keep sensitive details inside official support channels. If the app itself is not working correctly, check for updates, and make sure your device has a stable internet connection. App updates can fix issues related to loading, features, or account syncing. The best approach is simple. Send one detailed request, monitor your email, use the official support route, and provide the information needed to review your issue. Before contacting support again, review your original message and add any missing details that could help explain the problem. If this guide helped you fix a Solitaire cache support issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and like the video for more quick solutions.